Yo, we in the chat right now. Um, it's still playing out. I'm over here. I might as well record just cause. But depending on how the market is moving, it's moving low key quick right now. We'll be out to trade soon. But I took a sell on gold, and let me give y'all a breakdown why I took the sell. So my initial idea, right? Every day I start out with the 4 hour. I'm seeing what's going on. All right, we develop a nice trend line, right? That's the trend line. We developed three touches, one, two, three. I saw the break on the trend line, so I understand like, alright, there's a high possibility of us reversing because the overall trend line got, you feel me, broken. So I'm over here thinking like, and the 50 moving average right under it, so there's a good chance of this shit getting broken. Now I'm drawing my supply slash demand or support zones of resistance, but this is a support. I'm aware like if it breaks this, I wanted to come back to retest this area. Well, I'm about to show you on a low time frame. This area right here. Now you're saying why would I want to do that? Cause it would have been better for my stop loss. Cause the 50 move average up here now. Same thing as the 5 minute chart. Same shit. The 50 move average is a bit more up. So if I had entered right here, right? Like if it came back, I wanted to come back to retest this area. Why I picked that area, it just makes more sense because you can clearly see price in this area made a huge move, a nice reaction from it, and it's previously also a support slash demand. I mean a support slash resistance in the past. And you can clearly see. I understand this is a really nice zone to enter at or area to enter at, and on top of that this will, like I said, when the trend line get broken, this was a trend line support system from the bottom. Now a trend line will become a resistance, if anything, right? So that's why another thing, if I enter here, my stop loss would have been in this area at least, right? So that was an idea, but since you clearly see divergence here, 1 and 2. This is going down 1 and 2, right? I understand when this had happened. I understand it's gonna come back up. I thought it was gonna come back in this area, right? But seeing the reaction this big at least off of this area, which is also a support supply slash demand, but support becoming resistance. So I understand like this is a major area. You feel me? Got respected multiple times, and you can clearly see nice huge reactions. This is going down. This is going up. This is going, and then came back down and it went up. Like a huge reaction off of this area. And then once I seen this, right, boom, hit this area, came back down. I understand this is a good area to enter at because of all the reaction that I'm getting from there. So I just took my chances and entered. Yes, and there was a possibility that it could have still came up into this area or this area yet, but that's the risk of trading, bro. And hopefully it will pay off. You know what I'm saying? That's what it is, bro. If you always too scared to enter and you don't have a good idea and you can't, you feel me, react with the markets and move with the markets, then you feel me, it's not for you. Because like I said, I was wanting to enter here, but I had to quickly adapt because after I seen this had happened and I seen a divergence, I understand it's still gonna go up. But shit, divergence doesn't mean that it could have still went down. But there was likely is a higher chance of it going back up, which it did. But when I thought about it, I'm in my head it's like, alright, it could go in this area, but most likely it's not because of a reaction off of this. I zoomed out really quickly and I looked in the past. Oh shit, look at this reaction right here. Then it came back down and then to respect this area. See, failing to push below. Boom, shoots up. You feel me? Same thing right here, shoots up. Or same thing over here, it shot down. So I understand like, we in a very, very, very strong area of of structure, bro. This holds up weight. You feel me? It holds up a lot of weight in this line alone. So I understand, like, alright, that's a very good entry, if anything. But we get stopped out, guess what? We either gonna take one more position or we just gonna chill out for the day and then we're just gonna get back to it tomorrow. You feel me? Because you're not always gonna win. This is a probability game at the end of the day. They're trying to be at least have an edge on the market, which means it could be 70, 30, 60, 40, 50, 50, even fucking 40, 60, bro. As long as you have a good risk to reward, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, and let's say like this, bro, you take 10 trades, right? And let's say you have a 50-50, bro. Let's say you have a 50-50, which is most of the time it is 50-50, bro. But you have a 1 to 2, so you understand risk management. Every time you only aim for 1 to 2s only, right? Let's say you lose 5 trades, but you win 5 other trades. So you're at 50-50, right? But guess what? The 5 trades you lost is -5. The 5 trades you won, right, is +10. Now put that together. 5 minus 10. That is 5. So you're up 5 even when you're at break even, you're thinking, right? No, you're not at break even. You may be at 50-50, but guess what? Because your risk management, you're profitable. And yeah. So like it's good to just like if you're a beginner trader, don't go for, I mean, what am I gonna say? But this is my advice. If you are very emotional, I would say don't stay in the trade for too long, and don't stare at the chart like death stare at the chart. That's another thing. If you're in drawdown, guess what? Take a little breather, take a little walk, breathe, bro, because you're stressing yourself out. Because you have to understand, the work, what it really is, the work that you put in is basically analyzing what's your bias. Is it going to be a sell? Is it going to be a buy today? What it is. As soon as you figure out your bias, why this, why that, putting everything together, your confluences and confirmations, now when you enter, that's it. You're done. You feel me? You're gonna hit your stop loss or take profit. You either go up or down. You feel me? So there is no point of stressing it as long as you understand you did a very good job of analyzing it. You're very, very, very confident because all the confirmations you're getting, right? And me, usually I say like a good 3 to 4 confirmation, right, is a really good trade to take. You feel me? But that's my advice, and this is how the trade is going. And let me talk about how I found my target. Right? Remember, reactions off of an area. So you can clearly see consolidating. Boom. It broke through and just continued. And then right here, this is the big boy right here. A big drop and it suddenly stopped. Right? And then it consolidated again. So this is a good area to get out of because most likely every time it hits this area a couple times in the past, it starts consolidating. Right? Consolidating means going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. That's what it means. But yeah, you gotta look at areas in the past too. That's how you find your targets or entries or whatever. Me, how I found my entry was just off of reaction. How many times that this shit bounced off of, or how many times has price fallen super hard and just stopped in this area, right? Guys, those are the good areas to pick, right? I like to call them reaction areas. You feel me? Because you get a reaction out of the market when it hits a certain area that you see get tapped into, right? Common sense. I mean, like I said, pro traders can say that don't work. You're not doing it right. Well, I'm profitable and shit. I'm chilling. Everybody, like I said, everybody's obligated to an opinion. You don't gotta listen to me. There's like 10 other people you can listen to. There's 10 other people that don't know what the fuck they talking about and just trying to sell a course. You feel me? Like, you know what I mean? It's whatever makes you, whatever floats your boat, right? You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day. Because they not paying my bills. I am. But, yeah, right now we're up about, I don't know how many pips. score up about 130. Let's just say 30. Let's say 135. I'm just be almost at 130. But we should hit soon. We should hit real soon. And then I'm done for the day. I'm up big already though. Cause I always say, anytime you have a big trade, which is out in my opinion, like I said, swing traders 100 pips is a little bit to them. I am a scalper, so I'm literally in the market for probably like an hour to 2 hour max. But technically, I'm usually on the market for like a good 3 or 4 hours, depending. Because, like I said, analyzing takes a good 30 minutes sometimes. 15 minutes if it's a super clean setup. An hour if nothing really occurring. And some days you just sit there all day and you either miss a setup because you're blinded by what you want to see and you're being very biased towards whatever, and you're fucking you know what I'm saying, you get blinded and you're not adapting quick enough. Or another thing is, shit just don't happen. Shit, you just don't see your way. So don't trade it. Oh, and like I said, look for patterns, cause you can clearly see it broke through, made now it's a lower low, right? So structure, that's why I took this reversal trade, cause structure is now being changed, and you can clearly see a double top. So yeah, that's a beautiful pattern to look for, double tops and flag patterns or double bottoms. Super nice, super nice. I have a feeling that it's gonna retrace and come back, but I already put my brakes to I said my stop loss to brakes, brakes. That's what I mean by brakes. Sometimes my terms, people don't understand my terms. Yeah, but I've been up since like 8:30. I woke up a little later today, but it's fine because we ain't even get a trade. We didn't even get a trade until like what, 9. So it was cool because I could have missed out the trade, but we wasn't in the trade to like 9, bro. Basically, well, 9:30 to be honest. But let's just say 9. We wasn't in the trade yet. But now it's 10:30. Oh shit! Let me just. And that concludes our trade today. G 200 pips. A nice day for me. I'm most likely gonna be done for the week, bro. Cause, you feel me? I don't need all that. But yeah, today was a beautiful day. I didn't trade yesterday though because what's it called? I didn't see shit yesterday. So on XBX, that shit looked like it wanted to drop, but it had a divergence, so I had a feeling that's gonna be a fake out. So I didn't take it. Ended up being a fake out. Cause you gotta also think, what's the majority of the people doing, right? As soon as it breaks, they sell, right, or buy, depending. Or as soon as price gets to a supply and demand area, you gotta think like, what are most people doing, right? You gotta think of that and do the opposite of what they're doing. But yeah, that concludes our trade today. Nothing crazy. Well, actually, it is crazy. Look at that, 200 pips. It is crazy. It is crazy. It is crazy. But we are done skis for today. Made a nice little bag. But y'all be easy. Y'all be safe, man. I guess it was a live trade, you could say, like a half live trade, I guess. Whatever. But I hope this video taught y'all something. Hope y'all gain knowledge. For a second there, my eye looked there super red, bro. What the fuck? My eye look red as hell. Cause I ain't gonna lie, bro. Oh yeah, my eye is red as hell. Oh damn. Damn, what the fuck? I ain't gonna lie, bro. I've been on the screen a lot. I've been playing more games and shit, bro. So my eyes been getting like bloodshot, like badly. But I got eye drops. And on top of that, being on the computer, trading, the screen's all in front of me and shit. It's like, yeah. But, y'all stay safe, y'all stay blessed though. Hope y'all learned a lot from this video or learned some things. And, stay positive, man. Be easy. Yeah, that joint's still flying. Damn. That's like another 20 pips. But I man, y'all be safe.